Discovering the magic of possessive adjectives. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and simple. Today, we're going to dive deep into an important part of English grammar, possessive adjectives. If you've been confused about what they are and how to use them, don't worry. We're here to clarify it all for you. Possessive adjectives are words that describe a relationship of ownership or possession. These small but mighty words tell us to whom or to what something belongs. The possessive adjectives in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Example: this is my book. In this sentence, my is the possessive adjective showing that the book belongs to the speaker. Possessive adjectives are used before a noun or a noun phrase. They tell us about the relationship between the person or thing in possession and the thing that is owned. Example: her cat is adorable. In this sentence, her is the possessive adjective indicating that the cat belongs to the woman or girl being referred to. Remember, possessive adjectives agree with the possessor and not the thing that is owned. So even if the noun being referred to is plural, the possessive adjective remains singular if the owner is singular. Example: this is his cars. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is, these are his cars. His refers to one person who owns more than one car. Unlike regular adjectives, possessive adjectives are not followed by of. We say, her book, not, the book of her. Also, possessive adjectives have no plural form. We say, my book, and, my books, not, mys books. Lastly, remember that possessive adjectives are different from possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives always modify a noun or a noun phrase. On the other hand, possessive pronouns stand alone. Example: this book is mine, possessive pronoun. This is my book, possessive adjective. There you have it, friends. Today, we unlocked the mystery of possessive adjectives. These tiny words play a huge role in our everyday communication, so keep practicing them in your English conversations. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice. So, keep going, keep learning, and you'll see yourself improving every day. Thanks for joining us in today's lesson. We hope it has been helpful for you. Happy learning!